What's up, nail cousin? We're gonna jump right into the video here. So we are semi prepping our nails. We're just going in with our sanding band, kind of cleaning up, pushing back the cuticles and going over our nail to roughen it up. Then once we do that, we are going to go ahead and pull out our full cover nails. So with this set, I did try to do the original polygel, like the traditional way, on my thumb. So on my thumb, I pulled out a tip, but for all the other nails, I did the lazy girl method. So I went ahead and pulled out my full cover nail tips, or full cover nails, off camera. These are the BT Art Box extra long square that I got off of Amazon. And this set is really easy, really repetitive, really simple. So we just gonna go in with one polygel, and that's the Ohuhu White 3 polygel. But before we do that, we are going to take these blue glitters and we're going to apply them in some uncured base coat on the nail. Then it's kind of like a previous set that I've done before on my channel. But go ahead and apply some base coat inside of the nail. Go ahead and apply the glitter inside of the nail. Cure for 30 seconds. Once it comes out, go ahead and apply some more base coat to encapsulate it. And then once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and put on the white polygel inside of the nails. I'll be back. Now this polygel from Ohuhu, it was really easy to work with, but the only thing that I did not like with this polygel is that it seemed like it gave the nails like a dirty tint, or I don't know, but I know it's not white like the McCart's white polygel, but then again it's maybe like milky white. I don't know, but whatever the hell it is, it seemed like it turned the nails like a little dingy or like a little yellowish. But overall, it was a good polygel to work with. It's smooth like butter. I liked it. You see, I like this polygel. I just didn't like the yellowish, dingy tint that it turned. all of the poly gel is applied inside of the nails. Now we're just going to go ahead and flash cure them, and then once all of them are on, we are going to go ahead and put them in the big lamp and let them cure for 60 seconds. Before we do flash cure them, before we do put them in the big lamp to go ahead and fully cure them, we are going to flip them over and just smooth out the poly gel underneath the nails. So now we are going to go ahead and move on to the thumbnail, which is the traditional way of laying acrylic and polygel and all of that. So I'm just going to take a C-curved square nail tip. I just needed it to be square. I didn't care if it was C-curve or non-C-curve, and I didn't care about the length. I just needed it to be square so it can kind of blend in with the pattern with the other square nails that I'm doing, because I just wanted to practice trying to do polygel the traditional way. So I'm just applying that tip on with some, what is this, glue, some gel glue, and curing it in the LUD, whatever, LED lamp. And then we're just gonna go ahead and buff the shine off of that nail tip. So now the thumbnail has base coat applied all over it, and we're just gonna go in with that same Ohuhu white polygel. Yeah, we're gonna get to practicing. Now, I sped this up kind of fast because it did take me quite a few minutes to go ahead and get this, correctly. And it wasn't even correct. So again, practice makes perfect. I'm gonna have to practice some more, y'all, because this was just not where it was at. It did not give what it was supposed to give. I mean, it gave, but it didn't serve. I want to take the moment to thank you guys and say welcome. If you are new, welcome to the family. Hey cousin, how are you? How you doing? How you been? If you have already been here before and you know my videos, hey girl, did you find out who made the potato salad at the last family reunion? Like, what? But go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to my channel. to subscribe. That's absolutely free. To support someone, to go ahead and hit the thumbs up, the like button, that costs nothing. It's absolutely free. So please go ahead and do that for you, girl. I really would appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. It helps me know that you guys are watching and you guys will you guys are watching my content. Anything that you would like me to recreate or anything you would like me to do, comment down below and let me know. So here, excuse me, here are all the nails all shaped out and buff, and this is the traditional lay. Yeah, epic fail, but we'll try again another time, and I'm sure it'll come out perfect. Not perfect, but almost perfect. But we're gonna go ahead and go in with these stickers right here, and we're gonna go ahead and lay them on the nail. Once we are done applying all of the cookie stickers, I had these stickers for a while. I did not know what to do with them. I still didn't know what to do with them, but I was just like, hey, let me just do something with these. I have a whole bunch of them. Let me just do something with it, and I can probably get different ideas later on or whatever. But this is the first idea, and this is what the set is looking like. We're applying some top coat. And we're gonna apply some cuticle oil, some cuticle oil on our nails, and boom, this is what the set is looking like. Comment down below if you like this set. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe and like the video and follow me on Instagram. Bye.